I am 8 months pregnant and it's about time that I do something for myself. So we're gonna do my nails. I used to go to the salon and get my dip nails done, but let's be honest, it's just way too expensive right now. So I started doing my own nails probably about 3 months ago. And I'm gonna show you guys exactly how I do them because it is so easy. From start to finish, the dip manicure only takes me about 20 to 30 minutes to do. So I'm gonna be starting out with my Azure Beauty Dip Kit. So this is the color that we're gonna be doing today. Starting out, we're gonna go in with this number 1, which is the base coat. So you're going to wanna put a nice thin layer onto your fingers. And I like to do one finger at a time instead of painting them all and then dipping them all. So I'm just showing you guys how I do it. I love this color. I've used this color before. So now I'm just gonna take my pinky, dip it in, shake off the excess. I'm gonna go ahead and repeat this on the rest of my left hand, and then I will show you guys the next step. After you do one coat of the base and then the dip, you're gonna go in with this brush that comes with the kit, and you're gonna wanna just brush off any of the excess powder. Okay, so I like to do 3 coats. So I'm gonna go back in with my base right on top of each of these, dip it, brush off the excess, and then one last coat, base, dip, brush off the excess, and then I will show you guys the next step. Okay, so I've got 3 coats of my dip powder down. So now I'm gonna go back in with my brush and I'm just gonna make sure to get off all of the extra powder. If there is any, you just wanna make sure that you get it off before we move to the next step. And the next step is number 2, which is the activator. So this is what's going to harden the powder and set the powder. So you wanna add like a generous coat. It sets the polish in seconds. So I'm gonna go right in with a little nail file and I'm just gonna go ahead and give my nails one final little shaping. You don't have to, I just have always done that. So I gave my nails all a quick little file and now I'm gonna go in with a little buff. I've told you guys this before, but one of the biggest reasons why I love the Azure Beauty Kit is because you don't need like an electric file like at the salon because the powder is so fine. I have tried other dip kits and it just does not come out like this because you need an electric file to do it. And I'm not a professional, okay? Like I got like 20 minutes to do this, nice and quick. Now that I've done a little buffing to each nail, I'm just gonna brush off any excess and then I'm gonna go back in with my number 2, which is the activator. Because we just kind of filed off that top layer, you just wanna make sure that it's nice and set. Last and final step, I'm gonna go in with the number 3, which is the gel top coat. And I'm just gonna add 2 layers or 2 coats to each nail. And here is the final nail look. I think these came so good and this is one of my favorite colors. I'm no professional, but honestly, I think I do a really good job at these and nobody even realizes that I do them myself. Everyone just thinks I go to the salon. I will leave the link down below in the TikTok shop to this. This was a TikTok find, again, about like 3 months ago, and I absolutely love this kit. So yeah, I will leave the link right here if you guys want to check it out, and I will talk to you later. Bye.